This is the National Weather Service in Elko, here to bring you a weather brief for an upcoming winter storm that will begin to affect northern Nevada in the next 12 to 18 hours. We've been monitoring the evolution of this storm for the past several days and have very high confidence this storm will bring snow and strong winds to much of northern Nevada. We will be showing you the track and where and how much snow this system is expected to drop, as well as some very cold temperatures during the week. The latest satellite image from late this morning shows an area of strong low pressure over Washington state. As indicated by the orange arrow, the system is expected to dive southward and will affect the forecast area through Wednesday. Here's the surface forecast for later tonight until tomorrow morning. A strong cold front will be pushing through northern and central counties during the overnight hours, bringing decreasing temperatures along with periods of moderate to heavy snow. The area of heaviest snowfall is anticipated to be in White Pine County. Arctic air behind the front will usher in very cold temperatures beginning Tuesday and lasting into the week. A map of the forecast snowfall amounts for this storm is shown on the screen. The areas that will see the most snow are going to be in White Pine County and also southern Lander and Eureka counties. Heavy snow will fall across the Ely to McGill area as well as Great Basin National Park, where 8 to 18 inches of snow will be possible. Lighter amounts of 1 to 5 inches or so can be expected in Humboldt, Elko, and northern Lander and Eureka counties. The above graphic depicts when and where hazardous travel could be possible during the Tuesday and Wednesday time frame. As you can see, all major roadways will be affected by snow and widespread slippery conditions, creating significant travel issues. Temperatures will crash after the frontal passage, so any wet roadways will flash freeze. Road conditions will deteriorate across the north Monday night until Tuesday morning, while roads in central Nevada will see hazardous conditions Tuesday morning. Travel across the U.S. Highway 50 corridor will be highly impacted due to heavy snow through Wednesday. This is the forecast for afternoon highs for December 4th. The Arctic air mass will be firmly in place across northern Nevada and will last through the weekend. Afternoon highs will be in the teens to the 20s. Overnight lows will drop into single digits, with snow-covered locations dropping to double digits below zero. There is the possibility of record-breaking low temperatures during the next 4 days, so if venturing out, make sure to bundle up and keep warm. This weather system is going to impact the region with snow and very cold temperatures. With the storm track being what it is, the greatest chance for heaviest snow to occur will be in central Nevada. Also, central Nevada will see blowing and drifting snow due to wind speeds of 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. Other areas will also see snow, but generally in the 1 to 5 inch range. The snow will start later tonight in the north, with snow spreading southward towards Tuesday morning. A very cold air mass will invade northern Nevada from Tuesday through the weekend. Make sure to dress warmly and ensure pets and animals have shelter and water. This has been a web brief on the upcoming winter storm from the National Weather Service in Elko. For the latest weather watches, warnings, and advisories, please visit our website at www.weather.gov/Elko. Thank you for listening.